What happened to your MacBook, you said, sir?
So, funny story, I was actually playing Brawl Stars and then I threw my phone at my MacBook and it broke.
That's why you got the lines on there?
Yeah. I took it to Apple. They said it's not really fixable, or it was kind of expensive. I'm just trying to see if you can fix it.
Don't worry. I got you. Your MacBook is ready, sir.
Thank you so much, man.
It's good to go.
Thank you so much. Amazing service, too.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate it, man.
No problem.